everyone, my name is Brenna and today we're going to be trying out Paulownia facial wipes. These are made with completely natural ingredients as well as alcohol free. It's a 5-in-1 cleansing wipe. It has the power of a makeup remover, cleanser, toner, scrub, and mask. And it's soap free, so the soap free hydrating wipe exfoliates and helps tone your face within 1 week. It helps remove dirt, makeup, oil, waterproof mascara. So I feel like it's better than a lot of other facial wipes because of like the powers it has, being able to do so many things at once without, you know, damaging my skin. So these are what the little packets look like. So you just take it out of the packet. It comes out dry like this. We're just gonna add some water. I'll be able to show you guys a little closer view. It's really smooth on my skin. I have pretty sensitive skin. I get pretty dry skin, so my chin is a little dry right now. But these don't dry out my skin, which is really nice. With around the eye, it's really, it's actually okay around your eyes. Look at that, I just like took that right off. And with taking off mascara, I always go down and away. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's really gentle on your skin. It's very smooth, doesn't hurt, it's not irritating my skin. Usually with other wipes, I feel like there's a layer of moisture just left over on my face and then I have to wash my face. With this, I feel like it's clean. It got all the dirt off. It's just been a great experience. I've had a great experience with these wipes. And if y'all are interested in having a great experience and want to try something new, I highly suggest it. If you want to go visit them at their website at www.plowipes.com. That's Plowipes.com. Also, their Facebook and Instagram is also Plowipes. Thanks.